Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys crypto arbitrage opportunities. In this website is coinmarketcap.com, where you can find crypto price. So the coin I'm going to use in this video is Monero. So this is the coin, is ranked 26 among all crypto. The market cap is 2.49 billion market cap. So I'm going to press this. You come over here. This market, where you can buy this coin. For example, now I'm going to press this pair because I need Monero and XMR and USDT pair only to verify this. So you see, I can sell on Kaka for $140 on Kraken. Then you can buy. Let me see. You can buy from. I want to find a secure exchange. So it's important to find a secure exchange, not to just find any exchange. There is one exchange here, Truth. Let me check the secure. Moderate the secure. The confidence is not high, so I'm going to find the one that the confidence is high, that you will be sure that you are buying from good exchange. Let's say you buy from this gate.io for 137.4 cents, or you bought from Binance. After buying from Binance, let me make this calculator. We bought calculator. We bought from Binance or Gate.io from 7.40. Maybe we buy like 10 Monero. That will be times 10. We bought equivalent of 10 Monero around 1,370.40 cents. 1,370.40 cents of 10 of Monero. Then you will transfer the Monero, the 10 Monero, to Kraken. Then you will sell it for $40. This is the price, $40. Then I would like to go back to this calculator again. You sell $140 times 10 Monero. That will give you equivalent of 1,400. Let's see the difference of the price. What we profit minus 1,000. How much we bought this from? 1,700.40 cents. So in this trade, we make a profit of 29.60 cents. I will advise you to transfer this coin quickly, because it is important of price volatility on volatile on crypto. So you need to make the transaction fast for you to send it to Kraken. So you will need to choose fast network for you to be able to sell at this price on Kraken. So that's basically how you can use Kraken and get IO to profit to buy on get.io and to sell on Kakran. You buy around 137.4 cents, then you sell at 140 cents and $140. So that's how you make the profit, basically the price difference. So if you get value in this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to make more video about crypto, how you can make money with cryptocurrency. So see you on the next video. Subscribe to the channel and turn up the notification bell. Then tell me what do you think about this video and what do you want me to talk about. So see you on the next video.